though.
No school.
Is it on?
It is on.
Hi, Ashley.
Hi, Ashley.
This
Say
vlog
hi
is
to Ashley.
dedicated to Ashley Kumar, who could not be with us today because of her duties as a bench warmer on soccer.
Damn.
Hello.
Cute. Ooh.
They only wanna do you dirt. They don't have you suicidal, suicidal when they say it's over. But I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone.
Bless you. Hi, Sean.
Every day's
I have a smaller body.
Sean, what are you doing?
Huh? You can see. Athletic looking. Dude. I am so conscious of my body.
Don't be self-conscious.
Love yourself.
Thanks, Dean. You're cool.
Let's go pee.
Hello.
Hello.
I need a pee.
They gone. It's cold! Where's John?
It is so cold.
You look so cool. You look so cool. Roll the way. Is up there? Get my free. Dean, you're back.
Yay!
Keep going. Yep. And let's go. Let's go.
Point toe. Oh, I'm getting a cramp.
Darlene slapped my butt and got my camera wet!
It's a good butt. I couldn't stop.
She got my camera wet!
It's a good butt.
Oh! I got
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god.
Ah! Darlene, you can do it!
Your legs look, you look like a
Yeah, we did it. Yeah.
Woo!
Wow, you're so light. Oh my god.
Yay! Nice.
I don't know how to
Okay, go!
No, 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 no.
Oof.
Not that shit.
You look so cute. Tommy, look at me! Tommy!
What? Wait, hold
Look
up.
at me.
It's only like this hard. Hold up. Do people really do that deep?
You're so cute!
So you're gonna take a picture?
Kate!
Oh, okay. Hello, Kate.
There was a light right
You're here.
there. We could have gone.